Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the world of gaming and performance enhancement with the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 RAM. If you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who loves pushing their computer to the limit, this might be the RAM you've been dreaming of. Let's start with the basics. This DDR4 RAM comes with a substantial 16 GB of memory. That's plenty of room to run your favorite games and applications smoothly. What really sets this RAM apart is its impressive speed. We're talking a whopping 3,200 MHz. For those not versed in tech jargon, that means your computer can handle complex tasks, high-resolution gaming, and multitasking like a pro. Imagine rendering in higher resolutions, witnessing realistic graphics, and saying goodbye to choppy animations and lag. With the silicon-powered DDR4 RAM, these dreams become a reality. But there's more to it than just speed. This RAM is designed with gamers and modders in mind. It's the go-to choice if you want a powerful memory upgrade without breaking the bank. What's fantastic is that it meets Intel Extreme Memory Profile standards. That means maximizing your computer speed is easier than ever before, giving you that competitive edge.
Now, let's talk hardware.
The silicon-powered DDR4 RAM doesn't just focus on speed. It's also concerned about keeping your system cool. It comes equipped with an aluminum heatsink designed for fast heat dissipation. This means lower temperatures, higher stability, and a longer lifespan for your precious hardware. Worried about power consumption? Don't be. This RAM operates at a low voltage of 1.35 volts, which not only saves power but also contributes to that excellent heat dissipation we mentioned earlier. Plus, it's unbuffered, which keeps things simple and efficient. And here's the icing on the tech cake: it's backed by a lifetime warranty. That's right, complete peace of mind with comprehensive services and technical support. So, whether you're aiming for competitive gaming, content creation, or just a smoother computing experience, the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 RAM is a fantastic choice. To sum it up, if you want to take your computer to the next level, whether it's gaming, productivity, or creative work, this RAM has got you covered. It's fast, efficient, and built to last. That's it for today's product critique. If you've had any experience with the silicon-powered DDR4 RAM, share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, stay powered up.